Here is a Dayton 36-inch industrial ceiling fan that I got at some warehouse I went to today for $20. As you can see, it says Dayton right there. And I got that. When I got this and that were flipped. And then there's the wiring system I have. Goes down. That box. And yeah, it pings pretty low, as you can see. And I'm going to turn it on. Right now it's only one speed, which is its top speed or whatever. And it's not going on its coast down right now. And there it is. When I got this thing was just pitch black. I mean, literally the whole fan was just black. What's going on with my cam? That's weird. Anyway, that's the Dayton Industrial.